Hey there, this is LaQuita with QuitaBugHandmaids.com. Thank you so much for joining me today. So today I'm really excited because yesterday I received a box of Stampin' Up! Goodies, and inside was the new Big Plans planner kit. So this is an all-inclusive planner kit by Stampin' Up! So I thought I would unbox this kit and the planner with you just so you can see what the planner looks like up close and what all comes in the kit. So you can find the Big Plans Planner Kit on page 10 of your Stampin' Up! Annual Catalog. So this is the 2018-19 Annual Catalog. So it just shows you a nice up-close picture of all of the pieces that come in the kit, and then you can see kind of a spread, some different things that you can do. There's also a memory keeping kit that coordinates with the Big Plans Planner Kit as well. I'm planning to get that. And then there is a refill kit. If you just fall in love with this planner, you can purchase the refill so that you can use it year after year. Alright, so let's jump right in and open this up. So let's take a look at what's inside. So there is a little handout. And let's see, the handout just tells you what all is included in the kit, that there is a video about this kit on the Stampin' Up! YouTube channel, and then it talks about how to assemble each of your months in the kit, so that's nice. Oh, and then it gives you a little view of the pages for the kit, so okay, that's nice. Alrighty, ooh, okay, let's take a look. So I already love that this is a soft cover. Last year's planner was a hard cover. This is a soft cover, but still you can hear very durable. Ooh, I like it. Okay. Alright, got the 2-ring binder here. Okay, and then here are all the bits and pieces. Oh, this is nice. So I like that it has the Stampin' Up! Logo here, and then you've got this little elastic band where you can keep a pin in your planner. I like that. Okay. All right, and let's just open this up. See what all we've got inside of here. All right, so there is a roll of washi tape. I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can get in there. Show you a close-up of this washi. Excuse the sirens. Something's happening. Okay, so it's like, it looks like it's Calypso Coral because I do believe the planner itself is Calypso Coral. So it looks like this is also Calypso Coral. So it's got some little flowers on it, so nice little washi to coordinate. So I'm just gonna go back and make sure here. So it says in the little booklet that the coordinating colors are Basic Gray, Calypso Coral, Gray Granite, Petal Pink, and Pineapple Punch. So this, so the cover is Calypso Coral and Petal Pink, so very pretty. All right, so then we've got 2 pocket pages. This is really nice. I like that. So it's front and back pocket pages. So that is really, really handy. I love pocket pages. So there's 2 of those. Then we've got sticker sheets. Ooh, and I love that the sticker sheets are hole punched. That is awesome. Okay, so you've got, let me see, how many do we have? So you've got 2 of these, and these are matte stickers, so they don't have any gloss to them, which I also like that. So you've got 2 of these sheets. Then you've got 2 of this sheet. So this one has, this one's good for appointments and things like that. I like this a lot, setting goals, things to remember, things to do. You've got some banners, and then I really like this. So you can put these little bulleted stickers, and you can have, when you put your to-do list, you can write next to each little bullet, and then you can check it off as you accomplish it. I really like that. And then you've got, oh, another one, just in different colors. Okay. Nice. Plenty of stickers. All right, so then these are your calendar pages. You've got your month pages here on the front, and then if you flip these over, there's also part of your weekly spread on the back of these monthly pages. And you do fill in the dates yourself, which I really like because you can use this. That's what makes this usable for any year. The numbers aren't already there, so I love that. And you've got a note section here, plenty of space on your weekly spread. And let's see. Okay, and then here is the other side of the week. So you've got plenty of your weekly pages. Okay, love that. And I love that there's the little printed design on each of these. That's fun. Let me see. Okay. All right, so that's all of your weekly pages. Then, oh, this is nice. Okay, so this is, wait a minute, let me see. Do I have this, is this upside down? Okay, so if I flip this up, this is more weekly. These are more weekly pages, but you've got this cool little box down here where you can journal or write. Then you've got like a to-do list side over here, more space to just write notes if you want to. This is neat. I'm not sure why it's this direction. I like that a lot, actually. So you've got quite a bit of these. Okay, so that's really cool. So wait a minute. How does this work? Okay, so this one's double-sided. Okay, I'm gonna have to play around with this. I don't know how these pages work. So these are double-sided with notes and then the little box. Okay. And then these are more of the weekly pages with the little note box on the back. Okay. Okay, then you've got, ooh, this is fun. You've got two of these accent sticker sheets. So these are silver foiled accent stickers, so those are a lot of fun. So two of those. Then you've got your divider pages for each of your months. I really love that this time they are tabbed. I don't remember if they were tabbed in our last planner kit, but I love that. So that's really fun. So I'll just flip through each of these. So you've got the first part of the month on there, and the month is already written on there for you. Love that. This is a lot of fun. I love the patterns. The patterns are a lot of fun. These are really pretty. I love the pineapple punch. They did a really nice job on the color combination they chose. I really like it. And these are kind of glossy, so they have like a protective finish on the front. And then, wait, what month is this? Oh, this is just a notes. Oh, I get it. I get it. Okay. See, I am literally just unboxing this, so I'm figuring this out as I go. So these pages right here where I was really confused, now it makes sense. Okay, so yeah. So these are just strictly note pages. So that's why they were double-sided with just the box, the checklist, and then the space to write. So these would go behind this notes tab. So you've got this great strictly notes section. Okay, now that page, those pages make sense. I was so confused at first about where these would go. Okay, so I like that. This is fun. Okay, so I'll put that there. Then the last thing is your page lifter. So you can use this to mark where you currently are in your planner. And then I always save the cardboard pieces that come in our packaging. These are really great if you have to ship different things in the mail and you want to give them some support. This is really great, so I like to save those. Alrighty. All right, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and try to just set up at least 1 month in here. So I am planning to start my planner in August. So let me find it right here. Go ahead and pull that out. So let's pop that in. Then I will add in the other part of the month so that I've got a 2-page month spread. So we'll put that in. Okay, so then let me clear out all of the rest of these month pieces. Okay, so the 1st of August starts on Wednesday. So this is the 1st through the 5th. So I'll put in this week. Then this is the 6th through the 12th. Then let's see, this is the 13th through the 19th. Then this is the 20th through the 26th. Okay. And then this is the 27th through the 31st on Friday, and then September 1st actually starts on Saturday. So, okay. So September 1st starts on Saturday, so then what I would need to do then is put September right here. Okay. Then grab myself another month page, and then I'll go through and do the exact same thing for September. All right, so I used a calendar to go ahead and set up my months. So I've already got them all laid out, and I'm starting my planner in August. So I've already laid out the month spread, so you can see here the month spread. And then when you turn, these are the weeks in the month of August. And then the last day of every month in my planner has, it's one of the weekly spreads. It's the Thursday through Sunday piece that on the back has the note box, and then the kind of agenda piece here, and then another little writing section or journaling section, whatever you want to call it. It's got that at the back of each one of my months. So I've gone ahead and set it up, and hopefully I counted everything out correctly. And I'll probably just write in the days as I go, like number the monthly spread as I go. But so I've got that all set up, and you can see just from adding in my months, I've still got a lot of room in here. So this planner was actually designed for you to be able to also do some memory keeping in here. So you can add in photos, some of the memories and more, pocket photo holders and all of that. So you can add quite a bit of stuff in here. So I still need to add in my pockets and a couple of other things. So let's see. Oh, I need to add in my notes page. So I'm just going to flip here to the back, turn all of this over. Okay, add in my notes divider. Oh yeah, and then on the back of this divider, you've got room to write as well. So these are the rest of my note pages that I have left. And then there's also some extra pages of the weekly spread left. So I'm going to add those to the back, and then my counting should be correct, but if not, I've got the extras back here. Then I'm going to go ahead and put one of my pockets at the back, and in the front, I want to have another one of my pockets. Okay, and then I think, I'm trying to decide if I want to keep all of my sticker sheets at the front, or if I want sticker sheet. Actually, I think I want sticker sheets at the back. So, I think I'll put them after the notes section, but before the final pocket. So I think I'm going to slip those in right there. And okay, and then I'll just for now stick my page lifter here, since I'm really not at any page yet. So let's see, now that we've added all that in, we've still got, I mean, there's still a decent amount of room in there to add some memory keeping. So I really like it. I'm excited to start using it. I'm looking forward to setting up August. And one of my favorite things about planners, like this is the section that I use the most. I don't really add too much to the monthly piece, just main like things, like I might add birthdays to this part, or if I have something that I'm doing with family or friends or something like that, I might add like a big event to this. But other than that, I really don't write much on the monthly spread. I do most of my work here. I love writing out every single thing that I need to do and assigning set days that I'm going to get things done. And I use my planner. I don't have separate planners like a work planner and then a personal planner. I like to put everything in one planner. That works better for me. So it's going to be pretty jam-packed. So I really love when it's the big open spaces for the weekly spread. That is really important for me since I write so much in that part. And I'm really excited about the note page. I really like these note pages. These are going to be a lot of fun to use. So, all right, I like this planner. I'm really excited to get going with it. So in case you're wondering about the measurements of the planner, it tells you right here on this little sheet. So it is 9 inches by 8 3/4 inches, and it is 2 1/8 inches deep. So you've got a lot of space that you're working with here. I really like it. I think it's going to be durable. If you wanted to, you could bring this with you. You could put this in your bag and take it places with you, or it could be just stationary on your desk. I think that you could use it either way. If I were to bring this anywhere with me, I would probably get some sort of a cute band to put around it just to keep it from opening. I mean, I don't know that it would flop open, but just to make sure that it's secured and it doesn't open and my pages don't get damaged, I would probably do that. But anyways, I really love it. I love it. I love the feel of the cover. You've got those pretty little flowers, those silver metallic flowers. I really, really like it. So, okay, I hope that you guys have enjoyed this unboxing video for the all-inclusive Big Plans Planner Kit. So if you are into planners, I would recommend giving this one a try. I'm really excited about using it. I really, really love the way that they designed this one. So I think it's going to be a lot of fun. So I've got direct links to the Big Plans Planner Kit, as well as the refill kit and the Coordinating Memories and More pack. I've linked to all of that just below the video in the description notes, so you can check that out. You can also find all of this information over on today's coordinating blog post, which I have also linked just below. So thanks again for joining me today, you guys, and I'll be back soon with another tutorial. Bye now.